Okay, this is my weekly review of Tesla stock. So I'm looking at the weekly chart and we see that August was a great month for Tesla. Well, the end of August, August 21st onwards was a great week. Sorry. And then it went into the 28th. And now this past week was also up, but it extended up to 260 and came back down to 250 and closed at 258.50 approximately. So it's been a volatile week for Tesla based on this candle. You can see the high and the low. The high is 260, 257, and the low was 243.50. So it closed at 248.50 this week. So it was somewhat of a positive week for Tesla. It's a green candle technically. So we will see what next week does because this looks like it's in an uptrend. So coming next week, we will look for maybe more buying opportunities. So let's see what happens. We look down on our daily chart right now. So the daily chart, we so as I said, August was a very strong month, especially the ending of August. So August 29th was a strong buyers in Tesla there. Kind of hit a sell zone in this area. There are a lot of sellers in this area. So of course you can see where all our candles in this after this big one just kind of reacted to this zone where the sellers are. So sellers were strong on September 1st, and then the buyers jumped in. So it's very volatile. Like some days it's down, some days it's up. So not sure what next week will hold, but you can see where this is there, right? So let's look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is why the weekly candle look like this because there was a strong red day where the sellers jumped in. Then the buyers jumped in on September 5th, and then we had sellers, then strong buyers, and then Friday it closed with um, strong selling pressure. So this week was not a very clear week. However, I have been trading Tesla consistently, and I noticed that some days you have very strong trading. So Monday was a holiday. Tuesday was a very strong day, and I was positive on Tuesday. So I did make money on Tuesday on Tesla, like within that first 1 hour. So if we look at, let's see if we can go. Where are we gonna go? 15 minutes. Tuesday. Let's find Tuesday. Friday, Tuesday. Okay. So this would be your Tuesday chart. So if we can enlarge this here, let's see. Wednesday, Tuesday. All right, so let's just look at this portion of the chart. So Tuesday the 5th. Let's move. Let's just keep one moving average on here. All right, so Tuesday, Tuesday, Tuesday. So we have our pre-market. So you can see that that brown section is the pre-market. So pre-market, there was selling pressure. Then there was there were a few buyers and more sellers. So it wasn't very clear in the pre-market what was going to happen. So what I do, I first mark off my pre-market low, and this would be my pre-market high. So let's just put that in red and change the thickness of it. So let's mark these as our pre-market. So we have pre-market low of 242.25, and then our high was 250. So in the opening on Tuesday, it opened 9:30 with a strong green candle. Then there was a little pullback around 9:45. There was a small pullback. Then more buyers jumped in at 10 when the New York session opened, and then it pretty much was in a congestion right there before 12 until 12 o'clock, and then 12 o'clock it kind of did this push to the upside, more to the upside. So Tuesday is a very strong day for Tesla that I've been observing that Tuesdays are strong days. Like you can see if it's staying above the 20 moving 20-day moving average EMA, and pretty much ride it all the way up. And as soon as it hits your 20 EMA, you can get out of the trade. So that's a strategy that I've been using. Marking my pre-market highs and lows, looking at the 20 EMA, 20-day EMA, seeing if it's holding above that, and just riding it until it pulls back to the 20. Then you can exit the trade for profit. So Tuesday was a good day. Moving on to Wednesday morning. So on Wednesday we have pre-market Wednesday. So let's just adjust these. So pre-market high was 257.50, and then our low was 253. So that's like a 4 points difference in high and low activity in the pre-market. So we opened up strong red candle below the 20 EMA. So watch to see how the candle opens. If it opens strongly in a down position below your EMA, passing through your pre-market high or low. Well, if it's going low, it's going to pass through your pre-market low. Then if it's leaving that area strongly, strong green candle, that's like a $3, 1% move right there. Then you can use that as a signal that it's gonna stay down for the rest of the morning. and then you just ride this trade down until around 10:15, 10:30, and then you can exit the trade. If you're looking at the previous day, you can use that as an idea to see how far it will go down. So this would be more or less an indication of how far it will go based on that previous day low of 243. So it went down, sold down until it was about in this area here. So close enough. And then the buyers were in this zone, so it jumped up and rebounded to the 20 EMA. So if you use the 20 EMA as a guide, it pretty much tells you when to enter and when to exit your trades. So that's what I have been doing. So far, it's been working. So those were 2 positive days with Tesla. So Tuesday's good day, Wednesday's a good day. Thursday, let's see what happened on Thursday. Thursday wasn't very clear, wasn't a very strong day in any direction. So our pre-market was here. Market here. It was 250.18. Our pre-market high. Pre-market low was 243. And then we see our 20 EMA was like in the middle of all this. So not very clear. So we opened up with a green candle. Green candle opened up, didn't break the high, the pre-market high or the pre-market low. So that didn't give us any signal to trade, really. So we waited on up until it was way up at around 12 o'clock before any significant trading happened. So that was just at 12:15 and was like a $2 move, less than a 1% move on this big candle here. So wasn't a great day to trade based on my strategy. And on Friday, what happened on Friday? Friday was another weird day. So we see pre-market is down here and here. So that's for pre-market. We did a great break of the pre-market high at the opening. This would definitely have to be a scalp. So if you had scalped this, that's a $4 move to the upside, and then that's the end of the move. So you could have scalped it at 9:30 and be out by 9:45, and that would be your total, your day, that would be your day. So I wasn't scalping, so I didn't make any money on Friday. But I find that Fridays and Thursdays are not the greatest days to trade Tesla. So I'm gonna go forward with the ideology that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesdays are usually the best days to trade Tesla, and then we can test that thesis and see if that's a valid point. But that's my strategy that I've been using on Tesla, and I have a small account, and it's a very good stock to trade because it moves like $10, $8 a day, and yeah, so it has been working, and I'm happy with Tesla so far. So good. So we'll see you next week and hope you like this video. Please remember to watch, subscribe, and comment. Um, this this channel is for girls who trade or who would like to trade. So let me know. Okay, thank you guys. Bye.